Welcome to day 7 of Robot and Attachment Design for FLL Submerged 2024 to 2025. Hello everyone, today is the 7th day of a 15-day series, building a robot using the Spike Prime base kit, set number 45678. In this video, I'll be explaining the robot, showing the building instructions and example attachments. Let's dive in. The robot itself is a box robot, where it can align and square to walls, and it's easy to attach. It has one ultrasonic sensor, 3 motors, 2 for driving and 1 for attachment, and 1 large Spike Prime hub. Let's dive into the building instructions.